here to teach you what I am doing, not what I know that I'm not doing. This is what I know and I'm doing it. So there's a lot of skills that you can learn today within some weeks and start making money, good money for yourself. You can learn it in a matter of weeks and start making good money for yourself. Monetize it as a business. So when you learn these skills in few ways and you can start making money, put it as a business and start making money for yourself. And all these skills, you don't need capital to start. You don't need shop of your own. You don't need an office to able to establish all these skills when you learn them. In this video, I want to show you three basic skills that you can learn today and make it as a business of your own and start making money for yourself on weekly basis. And if you know what you are doing, you'll be able to be pulling out 100 to 300 in a month. No, I'm not joking. If you know what you are doing. So in this business, I want to be mentioning it from the lowest to the highest. So I want to start by the third one and I finish by the first one. And the last one, which I want to mention, and if you are interested in learning that one, I will be able to hold you with your hand and show you what to do and how you can do them in matter of weeks. So in these three skills that I want to mention, I'm not just going to mention it and do not tell you how to start it. So I want to mention it and tell you the step in which you can start this particular business, learn the skills and turn it to business, right? So the number three is the artificial carpet grass. Please do not look down on this particular artificial carpet grass because it has been a massive one for people who are doing this particular businesses. So people who have these skills, they will make if you are not know what you are doing, you are going to be pulling 50 to 200K monthly on this particular artificial carpet grass, and you don't need a shop or office or capital of your own to be able to execute this kind of businesses. So what you usually do if you want to go into this particular business is to learn how to take a measurement of a space. Yeah, you will learn how to take a measurement of space because you are going to be taking a measurement to give your quotation, right? So you learn how to take a measurement of a space. You know when you are done with learning how to take a measurement of a place, it's either in square meter or in feet or anything, but you are going to be concentrating on square meter because this particular product is being sold per square meter. So what you are going to do next is to go and locate people who are dealers of this particular product. The people who are dealer, not the people who are just selling it in the shop. People that is dealer that are selling this thing, that are importing this thing from overseas. They sell in bulk. So you go and meet them, they will have to cut out sample and give to you. There are several gauges, so they have several price on them. So the next thing, when you are done with that, when you see your dealer, you meet them that you want to be taking order from them, and they will tell you the particular price which they are selling each gauges because they have gauges. So the next thing you will do now is to market this particular thing. And why you don't need a capital or an office to be able to do this particular business, but because when you get a customer, when a customer call you for this particular service, you're going to go to his house or her house or the person's house to take measurement of the space which you want to put it. And in that way, when you are going, you have to take your samples and show them the particular sample and educate them on the different gauges and sizes. So they will make payment to you, then you will now use their money to go and order this thing and bring back and come and install this thing. So this is why you don't need capital or office or any place or shop to be able to execute this kind of businesses. So the second one, which you can second skill that you can learn and start making money for yourself, is this cotton vendor. You can become a cotton vendor without any shop, office, or capital of your own. Yes, because a lot of people have been making good money for just being a cotton vendor. A lot of people who are in this field does not have a shop, does not use their money to do this particular business, and also does not have any office of their own. So what you need to do is to learn these skills, learn how to take measurement of a cotton, learn how to give quotation, learn how to give general quotation of cotton, and when anybody who need this particular service will call you for that service, you have to go and take measurement, give the person quotation of that particular window, and the person will make payment to use the person's money to go and order this thing and come and fix back, and you get your own money and the person get his own job done. So how you can learn this thing is to meet somebody who are into this cotton business, who is doing this business, somebody who's getting job, not person that you will learn it that will stay 2 3 months. He has not gotten one job. No, you will look for somebody who is getting job in a regular basis, because when you go 2 3 times, you'll be able to know this business. I guarantee you that if you're a fast learner, when you go this business 2 3 times, you'll be able to know everything around this business, and you start doing it, because the more you are doing it, the more perfect you become, because you don't learn everything at once. Even when you stay 5 years, you will not be able to learn everything. The more you are going, the more you'll be learning and see getting more experience. So you have to need somebody who is doing this particular business. You tell the person that you are interested in learning this particular business, and the person can put you through. Always go site with this person to know how to take measurement and how to do all that, and you are good to go. And the next one, you are going to market your business. That's a video for another day. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that. You do that so that the neighbors, when we drop the marketing video, you'll be able to grab one or two things there. So the first one and the greatest one is the window blind interior business. Yes. So this particular one is the one I'm fully 100% doing. I'm the CEO of Smart Interior Blind in Abuja. So I'm 100% full doing this particular business, and God has been very faithful. And for those who are going to be able to start up this business. So this particular business, you need to look for somebody who are doing this particular business also, to learn it, learn how to take measurements. Factory, you can get your production done, where you can get your material and all that. And I guarantee you, you don't need any money, any capital, you don't need any office or to start up this particular business. Or you can need all these things where you have grown to millions and all that, if you want to open your own particular factory and all that. But as a beginner, when you want to start making your 100, 200, 300, 4 to 500, you don't need any shop, office, or capital of your own. So this particular one, if you're interested in learning this particular window blind, or if you want to learn from me, I can take you to the end and show you everything you need. Or if you don't want to learn from me, you can also learn from somebody who is doing this particular business. I guarantee you will never regret watching this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to learn how to do this window blind, you can comment window blind on the comment section. And also there is a link I will put on the comment section that will direct you to show you where you can learn all these things, so you can comment window blind, and you can also ask me question on the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because when we drop a particular video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you, and God bless you.